Hello, I'm John, and today I'm going to teach you how to descale your kettle. So what is limescale? Well, limescale comes from the minerals in hard waters such as calcium. When heated, they build up as a solid white or grey deposit on the element. Now that solid mass works as an insulator, so it takes longer for the element in the kettle to heat the water, which costs you more money in electricity. So, first of all, to identify if you have limescale, have a look inside your kettle. If at the bottom you can see a chalky white residue collecting around the base or around the element, it's time to descale. So there's two ways really to descale your kettle. One is using natural ingredients, the other is using chemical products. The natural ingredients include citric acid, lemon juice, but in this circumstance I'm using some white vinegar. Now what you do is open up your kettle and fill the kettle halfway with equal parts water, equal parts vinegar. So you bring the mixture of water and vinegar to the boil, and then once it's done that, let it sit for half an hour. Afterwards, pour out the solution and then rinse it thoroughly, at least 3 times, to make sure you've got rid of that vinegar flavour. So your second option is using chemical products. Now, what you first need to do is read the instructions on the back, because some of them are different. But typically, we start by half filling up a kettle with water and then putting it on the boil. So now that we have a boiled, half-filled kettle, we're going to take it over to the sink with our chemical product. And put the kettle in the middle of the sink, open the lid, open the sachet, pour in the contents. Now, it varies from chemical product to chemical product. This one in particular takes 8 minutes to do its magic. So we're just going to leave that be for the moment. Now that we've let the chemical product do its job, we've filled it up with water 3 times and flushed it out, and then filled it up with fresh water again and brought it to the boil. What you want to do is make sure there are no chemicals left in the kettle when you make that first cup of tea. So, as you can see, we have a beautifully clean kettle inside, and it really is that easy to descale your kettle.